Hello everyone, welcome and thank you for joining this session. I am Shrikant Sutar from Balluff Automation India, working as Market Segment Manager for Automotive Welding and Stamping. Our today's topic is Boost Productivity in Automated Welding. So in this session, we will see about Balluff introduction, introduction to welding processes in automotive welding, Balluff Weld-select series, applications and use cases. So Balluff has sensor and networking technology for unmatched efficiency and quality. So Balluff at a glance, Balluff is fourth generation family owned company. Balluff completed 100 years in the year 2021. Balluff has comprehensive portfolio of sensors, connectivity, identification, image processing solution, networking technology products, and software. Balluff has more than 30,000 customers and partners worldwide. Balluff has Balluff is present in more than 60 countries through 37 subsidiaries and number of representatives. Balluff has 7 manufacturing facilities worldwide and 3,700 employees worldwide. So Balluff 100-year journey since 1921. The Balluff story begins in the year 1921. In 1921, Gebhard Balluff started the company as a mechanical repair workshop. In 1956, they entered into sensor technology and further development of the portfolio. In 1971, they founded the first foreign subsidiary and thus start of international journey. In 2021, continuous development of automation innovation to meet customers' need. Altogether, automate, innovate, and celebrate 1 century of Balluff. Our vision. With our passion for industrial automation, we lead our customers to a successful future. And our mission, with innovative solution, we improve the competitive position of our customers with speed and result. Balluff global presence. So Balluff is present in 68 countries through 38 subsidiaries and number of representatives worldwide. So we'll see Balluff presence in APAC. Balluff started in 1980 in Japan as first step in APAC. Then subsequently started operation in Singapore, Australia, China, Taiwan, Indonesia, New Zealand, and Malaysia. Balluff India subsidiary started in 2019. So we'll see our presence in India. We have head office in Pune and warehouse in Mumbai. We have direct presence in other areas in India, like in Bangalore, Chennai, Nagpur, Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Kolkata, and Delhi. So we'll see now the video on Balluff 100 years journey. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see now our market segments. Our market segments includes automotive, which is globally and in India a major contributor industry. Then assembly system, robotics and automation, battery, energy, semiconductors and electronics, packaging, food and beverages, metalworking and metallurgy. So our product portfolio includes sensor, industrial networking, RFID products, smart lights HMI, machine vision, PSUs, connectivity, accessories, softwares and system solutions. Our services, project management, customized solution as per automation need, 24 by 7 account management, technical assistant in all the stages in retrofit, new projects, MROs. Now we will see welding processes in automotive manufacturing. The automotive market is still growing globally and locally. Many auto car makers have planned to introduce new vehicles in the market in near future in EVs, in hybrid EVs and ICs. We have observed continuous growth since 2020 and further growing rapidly. So welding process in automotive industry is like BIW, body in white, and structure welding. So BIW in this stage involves the assembly of vehicle body parts where different sheet metal components are welded together to form the complete body structure before sending it to paint shop. And the structure welding. This process covers the manufacturing of various vehicle body child parts like sub-assemblies. It is primarily carried out at tier 1 suppliers before these parts are sent for the final assemblies in the BIW line at the car plant. On screen, we can see body parts like subframe, battery house, seating structures. Additionally, other parts are like side body pillars, door panels, underbody parts, floor parts, hood, and others. So we'll see now welding methods. Welding methods in automotive production includes spot welding, arc welding, and laser welding. So spot welding, in this method, this is commonly used at BIW shop. In India, 90% of BIW shop uses this process. Suitable for body parts assembly like main body assembly, complete floor assembly, side body assembly, etc. And second one is arc welding. In this process is mostly suitable for tier 1 manufacturers, suitable for making subframes, side members, rear axle, exhaust systems, etc., where long welding takes place. Laser welding. This welding is suitable for small body parts where precise welding is needed. The products are seat skeleton, door inner parts, CCBs, cross car beam. Next, we will see challenges in welding processes. As we all know, market demand is changing very quickly. It tends to high investment in BIW welding processes. BIW welding is one of the costliest part in the car manufacturing. Majority of investment comes here, like robots, welding gun, fixtures, sensors, controllers, goes here. When market demand changes fast, like new design or new model, so companies has to invest again and again setting up a new line. So faster production cycle means increase in JPH. Customer like car makers wants to high output. For example, 60 jobs per hour. It means production up to 4 to 5 lakhs cars every year. So higher JPH demands high automation welding solutions, and it must be faster, stronger, and more reliable. Any small failure like sensor damage causes a big downtime and loss. More GPS means more solution requirements. So harsh welding environment. Welding BIW and structure parts happens in tough environments like heat, spark, metal spatters, vibrations, metal dust are there. Normal sensor fail quickly here in these areas. Balluff solution for this, our new generation of welding sensors that can survive these harsh conditions and reduce downtime. Competition, like customer compare and demands better performance at lower cost. So we must innovate consistently to stay ahead. So the welding environment is extremely harsh, which creates several issues. High impact damage. So frequent mechanical shocks can damage equipment and sensors frequently. High welding slag and spatters leads to contamination, sensor failure, and reduced lifetime of sensor. Excess heat exposure. It affects sensor accuracy, functionality, and durability. Connectivity damage. Cables and connectors are prone to wear, burn, and disconnections in welding cells. So we'll see Balluff solution to address this problem. To overcome this harsh welding environment, Balluff products like sensor, connectivity, and networking model are designed to be more robust, built for long service life under tough condition, spatter and heat resistant, reliable performance even in high temperature, high slag zone, wear free, reduce maintenance and replacement needs, increase in machine uptime, so continuous uninterrupted production, reliable in harsh environment, ensuring consistent uptime and productivity, EMF, magnetic field immune, unaffected strong magnetic interference in welding cell. So key benefits to our customer here is optimized productivity, profitability, helping customers reduce cost and maximize returns, high product quality, reducing consumptions of MRO, maintenance, repair, and operations components, minimize downtime, ensuring smoother and more reliable operations, improved overall equipment efficiency, OEE, means achieving higher productivity and performance. Now we will see Balluff Weld-select series. So iLink universal interface for sensors and data integration. iLink enables data-driven quality assurance. It enables seamless sensors to cloud connectivity. It enables real-time condition monitoring, quick swap of iLink sensors and devices to minimize downtime, overall resulting in simplified wiring, efficient setup, and advanced fault diagnostic. So enjoy the benefit from iLink, which we get here. Reduce cost and time in wiring and installation, configuration, and troubleshooting. Reduction in installation time, network modules, IP address, related accessories. Increase efficiency in data exchange, energy usage, and safety. It means flexibility, scalability, and interoperability. So Balluff iLink welding selection. Balluff offers products to use in welding areas. As you can see on the screen, products like Weld Immune iLink Master from Blackline series, Weld Immune sensors with PTFE coated, Sun 71 coated, and full metal, welding cables, jacket material in standard PUR with weld resistant and TPE material, welding iLink hubs, suitable RFID products, smart light solutions, inductive coupler in welding applications. So we'll see Balluff iLink portfolio Blackline series. So Blackline series is suitable for welding application. It includes IP67 power supplies also. So new Blackline iLink Master is available in entry level, standard level, and advanced level variants, suitable for different application in welding areas. Again, iLink hub. These are categorized on overall current consumption of the module and connection type available. We'll see in detail here, like Advanced iLink Master from Blackline series. It is designed to solve demanding applications. It has seamless iLink connection, delivering high power outputs, and also leverage advanced IoT connection features. It has a new platform, enhanced performance and memory. It is multi-protocol communication like uh, Profinet, Ethernet, EtherCAT, and now available with Modbus TCP also. It supports iLink variant devices like Class A and Class B. Then this model is capable of transferring the data to IT systems on MQTT, REST API, and OPC UA. Here in this model, the total current is 16 ampere, and per port you can draw 4 ampere max. It is robust IP67 and the temperature ranging from -25 to 75 degree. So we'll see now standard oiling master from Blackline series. It is having the same feature as advanced. The only difference is it handles 9 ampere maximum current per module with 7-byte connection and 16 ampere with M12L coded connection. The output current per port is 2 ampere maximum. Plus it supports only Class A devices in oiling. Then entry level. Entry level oiling masters from Blackline series again. This model also having the same feature as in standard Blackline oiling master. The difference is only that it can handle a maximum current of 4 ampere and it connects only Class A oiling devices. So now we'll see technical features, means we have seen the features of all Blackline oiling master. We'll discuss here the difference comparison, means BNI 00KH and BNI 00KJ are advanced oiling master. In BNI 00KH, it supports only Class A, and BNI 00KJ, it supports both oiling Class A and Class B devices. BNI 00KH, it supports 16DI and 16DO, and BNI 00KJ supports 12DI and 12DO when used in standard IO mode. BNI 00L3 is standard oiling master, and BNI 00L1 is entry level oiling master. Both supports only Class A oiling devices. In BNI 00L3, it supports 16DI and 16DO in digital IO mode, whereas BNI 00L1, it supports only 16DI and 8DO when used in digital IO mode. Next, we will see application use cases. So now we'll see application. So utilization of iLink for optimal process. In BIW process line, on screen you can see the architecture in BIW shop. Starting from power supply on iLink master plus iLink hub and RFIDs. Along with a limit switch, all are connected to PLC via iLink master at OP10. It is also connected the robot peripheral IOs through iLink master to PLC. At OP20, you can see the square inductive sensors are connected to iLink slave, and then the signals are sent to PLC through iLink master. Application is sensing skid at PRB stations at body shop and intershop conveyors. So in structure welding applications, this schematic is for structure welding at tier 1 location. In each robotic cell, we can see installation of our iLink master and slave to connect multiple inductive sensors, photo sensors, limit switches, and inductive coupler. We can also see the installed IP20 iLink slave in panel boxes, and this is used to connect the local point IOs such as push button, selector switch from operator panel to PLC connecting via iLink master. Next, we'll see the application in body shop. Balluff products used in body shop like welding generates high current and strong electromagnetic interference, which can affect conventional sensors. But Balluff weld immune sensors are designed to operate reliably in this harsh environment, ensuring accurate part detection and uninterrupted production. Managing welding currents and electromagnetic noise fields at robotic stations. Okay, we monitor the health of and operation condition of welding guns and fixtures using iLink sensor. Parameters such as cylinder position, pressure, temperature, and cooling water flow can be monitored for predictive maintenance, reduction unplanned downtime. To monitor conditions in the welding environment. Parameters such as cylinder position, pressure, temperature, and cooling water flow can be monitored. So iLink provides real-time data processing from sensor to the PLC and MES, displaying indications of working status. Smart lights, smart tower lamps, and HMI indicators display the machine status instantly. So utilize IO-Link for optimal process. Here focusing on BNI field bus and IO modules. Balluff IO-Link IO modules are resistant to weld current and EMF noise fields. 8 IO-Link ports to connect all 8 IO-Link devices such as flow sensor, vibration sensor, pressure sensor, and IO-Link inductive coupler in robotic ATC applications. These are economical. Up to 240 IOs can be configurable through single network node. These are IP67 protected, and IO-Link systems are flexible with expansion port for connecting an IO-Link wall interface or IO-Link sensor actuator hub. So monitoring conditions in the equipment. Here we are focusing on BES inductive sensor. The Balluff sensor withstand with harsh environment conditions like high temperature, high welding current, weld spatters, and high EMF. Balluff sensors are highly suitable for applications with changing objects like copper, aluminum, brass, steel. So compact form factor enables easy installation and integration. So process transparency for the plant. Here we are focusing on the RFID system, automatically track production and quality information in BRW production line. Tags can be mounted on hanger or transfer kits. So one processor can connect up to 4 RFID read-write heads, and length can be kept maximum up to 50 meters from controller to read-write head. Controllers are available with different protocols like Ethernet, Profinet, EtherCAT, even CC-Link IE to connect directly to the PLC. So here we will see the indication working status of the machine. So focusing on BNI smart lights. Smart lights connecting via 3-core unshielded cable for multicolors. Here benefit is a reduction in wiring, like we can configure 7 colors here. The systems are highly flexible and easy to configure via PLC on IO-Link network, benefiting quick installation with modular accessories. Up to 20-meter distance can be kept between smart light and IO-Link master. So application in door flange turntable. So here we are focusing on BIC inductive coupler. In this enables wireless transmission of signal and power, and it is wear free and durable for long run time. So it enables faster communication. It reduces usage of drag chain in turntable system since it works on wireless connection. So it enables flexible installation also. An angular offset is possible between base module and remote module. So here we will see power supply. Power supplies for all the devices, focusing on BAE power supplies. These are IP65 and 67 devices. Environment friendly construction, potting free and lightweight housing, can mount directly on field without junction box. It supports high power single phase and 3-phase system continuously operation. So power boost feature is also available in 5 seconds. Options are available in up to like 600 watts with 25 ampere and 1000 watts with 40 ampere. So current limited outputs, like 2 outputs with 4 channel UA and US separated, and are available with connection type as M12 and 7x8 variants. So next we will see the connecting technology, connecting all level for automation. So wide selection of product portfolio to cater various needs. Cables are reliably transmit signals and data along with power. Our cables are resistant to high temperature, spatter, magnetic field. This resulting in long service life of our cables. All connections types are available here, like M12A coded IO connections for sensor application. So 7x8 and M12L coded for power connection. Then RJ45, M12D coded and X coded for communication purpose. So here we will see the cables for welding application, BCC welding cables. Application wise, we can select the cable. like for basic application where good spatters resistant and good abrasion resistance is required. So typically we use cables with TP and PUR jacket. And for better application where this great spatter resistant and strong thermal barrier requirement is there, then we use jacket material like PUR with weld spark resistant with a silicon tube or silicon sheet or maybe a silicon wrap. Okay, for better performance application where exceptional spatter resistant and great abrasion resistance is required, we use the cable with material like FEP, which is PTFE, and with silicon jacket. Yeah, so you can sign up and shop online. Website link is visible on screen. So just saving time by shopping online with My Balluff portal. Your benefits are you can get availability info immediately, easy transaction, instant confirmation on order. You can avail best deals also on online. So yeah, connect with us. Please do contact us. Details are given here, and please follow us on LinkedIn. Yes, one more information about Automation Expo 2026. We are pleased to invite you to our booth at Automation Expo 2026, which will be held at Bombay Exhibition Center from 22nd to 25th July. Our booth number is L11 and L12 at Hall 2. There you will experience a live demonstration of our latest automation technology products, and you can talk to our industry experts. Please do visit us. Yeah, we Balluff as your partner for success in automation. Thank you. So we are now open for your questions.